Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by. If you're new, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Back in November, I went to Harrods. I was in London. I love Harrods, so it made sense to stop by. I was walking through their perfume section, trying to avoid all of the temptations. And what do I see but a Diptyque counter? Okay. I come over, I say yes. I want to sniff this specific perfume because I've worn it before. I've had the samplers and I'm really eager to see if I like it as much as I think I do. I get a whiff of this perfume and I know instantly that it's going home with me. So I bought during my first trip to the Diptyque counter in London. I bought this, which is Fleur de Peau. Now, if you have already smelled this or if you are familiar with the fragrances that I prefer over here, this fragrance is not a surprise. I love a good musk. I love a good rose. I love something soft and muted, but slightly earthy. I do love a good floral, but floral doesn't have to be the first thing that hits me when I smell it. And this one fits the bill for everything I love. Now, I did a video, and if I am good about it, I'll remember to put a link somewhere here, however. But I did a video with my favorite scent combination where I combined Skin and Vanilla by Clean. That's the name of the fragrance, Skin and Vanilla. It's a limited edition fragrance. I combined it with an EOS lotion, the purple one. You can look at the video to see what the name of it is. I think it was like Cashmere Musk or something like that. Don't quote me on the name. I'll put it in the description box too, not just the video, but the lotion link so you can check it out because that smells yummy. So I was layering that when I wanted to get that really good, soft, flirty, musky note to my scents. But this, I love this so much. I love it so much. It is my absolute favorite. Now, this is the 75 ml or 2.5 fluid ounce eau de parfum. Cap just comes off. It had a lovely box that I've already tossed, but that smells so good. It is the musk scent for musk lovers like myself. Now, I've got some notes here. I'm going to tell you the scent notes that are listed on Diptyque's website, but then I'm going to tell you what's on Fragrantica, and you can figure out between the two who's more accurate. So on Diptyque's website, it says that this has musk, iris, ambrette, and pink peppercorn. Okay. Yes, to all of that. You get some floral, but it's not the first thing that hits you really. What you really get is those musk notes off top and the ambrette for sure. Pink peppercorn is like a really nice, slightly spicy finish to it. And yes, you pick up on that too. Now, the notes on Fragrantica are as follows. Top notes of aldehydes, pink pepper, angelica, and bergamot. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't smell a lick of bergamot in this. It could be, but I don't pick up on that. I have plenty of bergamot in other fragrances. I can't even talk. Other fragrances. Can't pick it up in this at all. But I've never smelled angelica, so I can't say for sure that that's not a top note, but aldehydes and pink pepper, absolutely. The mid notes are Irish and Turkish rose. Yes, 1,000%. Turkish rose wasn't mentioned on the Diptyque website, but I absolutely suspect rose is in here, probably Turkish rose. As someone who owns a Turkish rose oil, yes, the similarities are there. I also have that Al Rahab perfume, the musk rose. This is giving very much musk rose with a twist. And then the base notes, musk, ambrette, carrot, ambergris, sandalwood, leather, and amberwood. Certainly it has the musk and the ambrette, but the amberwood was a slightly unexpected note. And I can tell, yes, it's probably got a little bit of sandalwood and definitely the leather and the amberwood. I can smell both of those in here. Now, I apply this liberally because, in my opinion, for most musk scents, if they're truly musk forward, you do, not you do, you are hard pressed to overdo the scent when you're applying it. It is very hard to overdo a true musk because musk aren't loud by default. They are there, they're present, and they are lovely, but they are not generally loud scents. So I spray, right? So when it comes to how long the wear time is, I apply like a crazy person. Clearly, I've had it since November. I've worn other fragrances from time to time. That's what my bottle is looking like. This will be gone before the end of the summer for sure. And I'm not even wearing it daily because that's how heavy I apply it. And it lasts me all day, of course. The price, I believe it was 180 pounds when I bought it in London before it was converted over to US dollars. But don't worry, prices will be in the description box along with links. So, who is this good for? This is good. This could be worn by someone probably on the younger side if they really, really loved it, but it doesn't have the kind of lightness and freshness that I think a younger consumer, someone under the age of 30, might prefer. I do think this reads a little more mature, and I love it. It is not, it does have a little spice, but it's not super spicy. So you're not hit with spice. You really do get mostly those subtle florals and those musk notes. It is unisex. So this would smell great no matter who you are, which is really, really nice. I just I just knew as soon as I got the sampler several years ago, I was like, I love it. And then when I was in London, it all just worked perfectly for me to buy it right then. And it is a bit of an investment. Clearly, I don't care how much I invest, I'm going to apply it if I love it. If the price is a bit too much, because, it is an investment, consider getting perhaps something smaller from Diptyque and then getting a free fragrance sampler, which is, I don't have one here. I do have one, but I don't have one over here. They have these cute little samplers that are about this tall, and they're sprays, and they're just lovely for trying out their different fragrances if you want a low commitment situation. So that's that about that. Okay, I think I covered everything. Additional details will be below. My favorite, hands down, my favorite perfume. I wear it right. Well, I've been wearing it all winter since I got it. This is something I'd wear all year long. It's perfectly seasonless. No, there is no season where this would be better than the others, in my opinion. Though, if we're being technical, since the flowers are a bit secondary to the musk, then, maybe it's not the most suitable for spring if you really want something super floral, or summer for that matter. But for me, this is an all time of year scent, a light hand, and this would be good in the office. It's not loud at all, and it's just beautiful. If you like this kind of scent, but price is a thing, then check out the Al Rahab Musk Rose as an option. I'll put that in the description, and I'll try to remember to link that here as well. So that's it for me today. Please take great care, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye bye.